HyCAP integrated mold alignment, reduce wear, increase tool longevity. Husky HyCAP mold alignment, reduce wear and extend tool life. 2. Integrated mold alignment in Husky HyCAP, boost tool longevity. 3. How Husky HyCAP reduces wear with mold alignment technology. Magnifying glass technical and informative. 4. Husky HyCAP, advanced mold alignment to minimize wear. 5. Tool longevity with Husky HyCAP integrated mold alignment system. Rocket attention grabbing. 6. Save your tools. Husky HyCAP mold alignment explained. 7. Husky HyCAP secret to long-lasting molds.